How a driver got himself 20 plus years in jail.
Hey! Stop! Stop!
Big Hemi. Don't even, I wouldn't even got into the whip. I would have just taught the bird. Yeah, he got one of them rums in there. I ain't about to chase him with this thing. Buddy growled away from me like big gorilla. I got a baby koala bear. Two different animals. They can't fight.
Clear.
What up, TKG family? I got another reaction / breakdown video. Hit that like button, comment below, let me know what I should see next. Subscribe. Join the family road to 100,000 subscribers. Go to Unspoken Crime Murders, because they the one who dropped the video. Let's get right into it.
What's the address to your emergency?
I'm driving northbound on Broadway Extension. There's this lifted F-150 that was swerving into everyone on purpose, and when we jumped into Edmond at the end of Broadway Extension, he slammed into the wall on the side of the road. He ran through the stoplight, and I think we're about to pull up behind him here on 33rd. Going southbound, he's just erratic. I think he's drunk or something.
Okay. What kind of vehicle is it?
It's a silver Ford F-150. Yeah, that's him up here. We're about to pull up behind him. I can get the license plate, I think.
What did he hit?
He hit like the, the side of the road, those like 3-foot barricades. He slammed into that on the right side of his car. His car bounced in the air. Here he is right here.
Okay.
Right in front of me now.
Do you see the tag?
I do. Let me get it in an angle. It is JTA 321.
Okay.
And now he's trying to cut people off. He's trying to get away, I think. He hit another car. He just hit. He's peeling off. Oh, he's running. Hit and run, baby. Hit and run.
Who did he hit?
He hit this work truck right in front of me.
Chaos on the roads. 911 calls poured in.
I ain't never been so drunk to where I think I'm in one of those dreams that you realize you in a dream and now you just trying to have fun. GTA in dream state. I ain't never been that drunk in real life to where I'm like, ooh, it's time to put the cheat code in. It's time to up RRBX, up, down, left, right. Infinite health. Remove 5 stars. I don't want no stars. I just want to have fun. No police on me. I've never been that drunk. Comment below if you've been that drunk.
A man in a Ford truck was speeding up to 100 miles per hour, crashing into cars and nearly hitting pedestrians. Witnesses reported the suspect accelerating even more when he noticed a police officer attempting to pull him over. What would happen next was nothing short of devastating.
Stay in your car! Stay in your car! Hey! Stop! Stop!
Big Hemi. I wouldn't even got into the whip. I would have just taught the bird. Yeah, he got one of them rums in there. I ain't about to chase him with this thing. Buddy growled away from me like big gorilla. I got a baby koala bear. Two different animals. They can't fight.
Evan, I'm in pursuit. He went east on 2nd.
Clear pursuit eastbound on 2nd. Hold here.
South on Whittler.
Right down where we're invited. Yeah, I'll be calling over. Southbound.
Clear, still southbound.
Evan, on the 3rd floor. I'm not getting the precision. I'm just taking back until they get them stopped.
Clear.
We're southbound at 40 miles an hour right now.
Southbound 40 miles.
He's pulled out of the GBI.
When an officer ran the tag, they quickly identified the driver as Garrett Trammell, someone with no history of violence. But watch closely, because in the next 20 seconds, this entire situation would take a devastating turn.
He's pulled out of the GBI. He's fun for this push bar. bar came off. We off my black strip and a push bar can sit up the road. He's going back northbound. Like that, he just hit me. Hey, we have an officer down, start medical quick. Clear.
Where's he at? Where's the officer?
What officers didn't know is that Mr. Trammell sped his truck up, intentionally hitting the officer's motorcycle and sending him almost 15 feet in the air into the tree line.
Get up.
He really thought this was GTA. It's one thing to hit a police officer's car. You like, okay, you tweaking, but it's understandable tweak. You see a police officer on a bike, what you trying to respawn? You trying to start life over? You know they gonna put you under the jail. You only gonna last a week under the jail because a police officer, also known as a CO, gonna hear about what you did and get you by Big Jerome, Big Leroy, Big Tone, Big Jermaine, Biggie, Big.
Get up. Get up. Can I get a car right here? Hammond, I need an officer here so I can go down 462.
Clear.
Stand up.
Get the boulevard coming.
Get up! Hey! Stop and help me real fast, please. Right here! Right here! We're getting screamed by this truck. That's it. Yeah, you got out of the car. Put your feet down.
Sit up, man.
Cross.
Almost here. Driving unit. Let's just start getting this stuff out there. Clear it out. Hey, don't got your head.
Don't move, man. Just stay still. Joe, stay still, bro. Stay still.
I know you're not. Stay still. Don't move. Don't move. Joe, stay still.
Yo, he knocked him into the creek through the tree lines. Yeah, bro. No release date, him. No release date. Nigga got a life. He just digged in his butt. Yo, he got hit pretty bad. If y'all wanna figure out what happened, the results of the crash, the officer, and what they finally do with the guy who hit the officer, go to Unspoken Crimes Murder. You got about 9 more minutes of this video. Hit the like button, comment below, let me know, subscribe, join the family. I'm out. Peace.